Hey there, pixel art enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to effortlessly transform any normal image into captivating pixel art using AI. And the best part, it's completely free. First things first, let's launch Chrome. Next, we're going to search for a fantastic AI tool called Styler AI. This tool is perfect for turning your ordinary images into pixel art wonders. Once you're on the Styler AI website, click on New Project to get started. Choose Canvas. Now, let's select the option to upload an image. Choose an image. Adjust the size. Now click Image to Image option. Write a brief auto prompt to guide the AI in understanding your desired transformation. Let's choose a style. For our pixel art, click on 3D Pixel for a unique and dimensional look. Now, click on Stylerize to apply the chosen style to your image. Take a look at the results. Isn't that fascinating? Let's explore another pixel art style. Click on Make one more style. This time, let's go for a more traditional pixel art look. Click on Pixel Art. Now, click on Stylerize to apply the chosen style to your image. Check out the results once again. Classic, isn't it? Now, select the pixel art image you like the most. Finally, click on Export to download your pixel art masterpiece. Now, hit download, and there you have it. And that wraps up our tutorial. You've successfully converted a normal image into captivating pixel art using AI, and all for free. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. Until next time, happy pixelating!